Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to make glutamate from the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle. Now, the Krebs cycle does not only produce energy, will help us make energy eventually in the electron transport chain. It can actually make various other things. One of them is glutamate. Now, glutamate is an important excitatory neurotransmitter in your brain. Basically helps neurons communicate with each other. I'll make a whole video series just on neurotransmitters and how the brain works. Anyways, notice in the Krebs cycle we have alpha-ketoglutarate. Notice that actually has the word glutamate or glutarate actually, but the base is there, right? So this is kind of a hint telling us that it can actually indeed turn into glutamate. Step 1. Also known as the final, because it's only one step. Can you believe it? Finally, a pathway with only one step. Jesus has arrived. All right. Okay. Alpha-ketoglutarate. Alpha-ketoglutarate has this carbon-oxygen double bond. A random ammonium ion is going to come along. And here's what's going to happen. Using the enzyme glutamate dehydrogenase, and using the protons from this NADH plus H, we're going to help us drive this reaction forward and break up this carbon-oxygen double bond and instead replace it with ammonia, NH3. So NH4 was here. We have now substituted with NH3. The double bond goes bye-bye. We have now just made glutamate. Pretty easy, right? It's pretty straightforward. It's nothing special here. And in return, we're going to make water. This water is what you pee out. And that's it. Like, I don't know what else to say here. We just literally just replaced the oxygen here with ammonia. That's it. And this is like, say, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, carbon 4. There we go. Done. Pretty easy, right? I'm not even joking. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Until next time, later.